Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to merge duplicated customers in QuickBooks Enterprise. Now the first thing I want you to do before you perform any merging, because this cannot be undone, try to back up your company file. So the way you go about this, very easy. You just come to the top left, you click on File, okay? And then you hover over here, Backup Company, and then you click on Create Local Backup. Go ahead and do that. Now what I want you to do is click here on Customers, okay? Then click on Customer Center. Then you just go ahead and review your customer list that you have. And you note the duplicates. If you see any duplicates, note them, okay? And then you decide which customer name you want to keep once you find the duplicates. So what you do, you find the other duplicate customer, you right-click on that customer, and then you go ahead and edit the customer job, okay? Select this one. And in the customer name field, right, what you do is you type the exact name of the customer you're keeping, okay? And then once you save it, it will ask you to confirm the merge. Basically, QuickBooks will show you a prompt, okay? Click OK to confirm the merge and then save and close. And you'll see a prompt like this. Name is already being used. Would you like to merge them? Click yes to confirm, and then all the transactions from the duplicate will now move to the main customer record. Otherwise, it's really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.